Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Xfinity pod if it is not working or not connecting. First, start with a simple power cycle. Unplug the XFi pod from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. After plugging it in, give it some time to reconnect. This process can take up to 10 minutes, so be patient and allow the device to fully restart and try to connect again. If the pod is still not working after that, the next step is to use the Xfinity app. Open the app on your phone. Go to the Services section. Look for your pod or connected equipment in the list. Once you find it, tap on it and look for the option that says Activate or Reactivate. Tap that button and follow any instructions on the screen. This step often fixes connection issues by refreshing the setup. If the problem continues, you can reset the pod manually. Find the small reset pinhole button on the pod. It is usually located on the side or the back. Use a paperclip or a small pin to press and hold the button for a few seconds. This will reset the device to its default settings. After that, you will need to set it up again using the app. If none of these steps solve the issue, the best option is to contact Xfinity customer support. They can provide more detailed help based on your specific situation. Thanks for watching.